Hi, Topa. Jod, hello. Jod, may 100 ka. 9 saan yan? Dito, sa aming sa Davao. Hindi ko alam. Kasi di pa ako nakapunta ng Maynila. Ako'y labot. Sino ka man? Wala man ko ng hambog. Gugwapa ko. Isa ba dira? Hangkin, thank you. Ay, hangkin ka lang. Thank you so much. Gusto ko yung kiss me gift. May pa-kiss me gift ba kayo? Hang Chicken, thank you so much. Where are you from, Hang Chicken? Lo, thank you, Hang Chicken. What is that country? I don't know what is that. Ryan. Thank you, thank you. I want to smooth you. Hang Chicken, kiss me gift mo ko. America, hello. Hi, Bakit. Good morning. I don't know what is that country. Lobo, hello. Jack, hello, Jack. May balik ba? No, I don't have. Hi, Mockingbird. Mockingbird. Oo. Teka, thank you. Function, I cannot reply here. My account is restricted for 1 year. Sa likod lang naman to ng ba. Wala kang bakit. Maliit din sa'yo. Huwag kang mangbas kasi mas maliit pa yung sa'yo. Wala. Walang dito. Let's. Ay, Becky. Eh, puro ka puro kadaldalan ng sinasabi mo. Later na, Kat. Option lang, hello. Hi, El. Frank, hello. Morning option lang. Ang chicken, you have with medium. Hi, baby. Delphi. Hello. Kabayan. Daddy. San kami? Santol.